Where's the best place to make a video? Doesn't matter. You can record anywhere, and the point of this video is not just to tell you where the best place is to record, and that's to try to change things up a little bit. You don't have to record in the same place every time, and in fact, I advise against it. I think you should switch it up. I make videos in my office quite often. At my desk, I do tutorial videos. I make videos sitting in my chair. A lot of times with my cat behind me, people get to know her. And if you don't know me, if this is your first time here, sorry, my name is Rob. It's nice to meet you. And if you're returning, welcome back. So I'm about to walk on a path here just to give you guys a little bit of a different view. And the reason I'm doing that is to kind of prove to you that videos like this can work. You can just go outside and make a video, go for a walk in a park, down the street. It's nice if, it's a somewhat of a controlled environment, that, there's not lots of traffic or lots of other people around, but I mean, that's a personal thing too. For me, I like to do it relatively alone, but for all I know, there's going to be a bunch of people around the corner here. And that's something people have to get over too. Like, if you want to be a content creator, sometimes you're going to, find yourself in an uncomfortable situation where, maybe you're embarrassed that you're making videos, or, you don't like to do it with other people watching you. I feel like that all the time. So I tend to try to eliminate that possibility, which I think I did here today. But again, you know what? If I run into somebody, no big deal. I'm gonna laugh about it. It's kind of fun. If they don't want to be in the video, then I won't put them in the video. That's fine. But in all likelihood, I'll just say hi, they'll say hi, and we'll pass. But so make videos whenever you get the chance. I think it's a good idea to have your camera with you a lot of the time, at all times if you can. I typically have my iPhone with me in my pocket. That's what I'm filming on now, my iPhone. If an idea pops into my head that, maybe I'll make a video now, I have my phone with me. I've got my tripod. If I don't have my tripod, I could just hold the phone. But the reality is, today, I came out here to make a video. I just filmed it. And then I thought, I've got another idea. Let's make another one. So this is a 2-video day. Not going to release them both days, or both on the same day. But my point is, if you keep your camera with you relatively close, get warm, then that'll make it a lot easier to make videos, kind of spontaneously, right? So for me, I like to keep my office settings set up and ready to make a video in my office. If I decide I want to make a video there, I can do it fairly quickly. In 2 different locations. In my chair, I've got a tripod set up. I just have to, put the lens on my camera. And then in my desk chair, at my desk, I've got a camera set up there. So, but if you don't have multiple cameras, you can have, maybe a couple of different tripods set up, if that helps you. I mean, I find it helps me to have things ready to go like that. It just allows me to make videos quickly. So where you record doesn't matter. The most important thing is actually what you're recording, the message you're delivering. That's even more important than the quality of the video. Like, your video could be crap, and if your message is good, then that's fine. Your video may do well. It may not, but it might. The actual quality of the video affects how well your video does, less than you probably realize. So don't worry too much about that. It'd be nice if you had good audio. So I'm using this wireless mic by DJI with the little wind guard on it, and that helps cut down the wind noise. There's a little bit of wind here, not too much. So yeah, it should be a decent picture. This iPhone takes great videos, and I'll get back to my office and I'll edit this. Shouldn't take me too long, and video done. So the most important thing, I shouldn't say the most important thing, but a very important thing in this whole creator journey that I'm learning is just keep putting videos up. Like Sean Cannell said at Think Media, he says all the time, or used to, you just gotta just press record. And I heard that several years ago when I first started on my own journey, and that rang true to me, and it still does today. You know, if you have a good idea and you don't hit record and just start talking about it, that idea could be gone, right? And then what? Then you're on thinking about ideas again, but you've missed an opportunity. So again, doesn't matter where you are, you can record anywhere. And another good thing about recording in different places is it gives your audience something new to look at, something different. So when I make the thumbnail for this video, actually it might be similar to the video I just recorded too, but I may have a beach shot in it, like maybe, I don't know, or maybe this is the thumbnail. Who knows? I'll decide that later. Where was I going with that? Yeah, so different looks could generate some, I don't know if excitement is the right word, but just something new for your audience to see. It's like, oh, I wonder what Rob's doing now. You know, that obviously only works, this is getting loose, only works when you have an established audience who knows you, but that's the goal, right? Make videos as if you have an established audience, and someday you will have one, right? And then that someday, your audience will go back and see your first videos, even the ones that are crap, right? Your first several videos are going to be crap. That's just the way it is. Go back and check out my first videos. You'll see what I mean. But yeah, like if you go back and check those videos, you'll see a different setting. Actually, that was in a different house altogether. So it's just a different look. And sometimes that's a cool thing. It just, I think if you make all of your videos in the exact same spot every time, that could get a little bit boring, and you know, it might turn off some people. So if you want the best chance at growing your channel, getting more views, well, the getting more views part is more of an individual video basis, but from video to video, you know, growing your channel and getting more subscribers, switch things up a bit and record in different locations. Where you record is not near as important as what you record. All right. So that said, I'm Rob the Maritimer, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. Bye.